Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, that reading may answer some questions you may have, or it may clear your doubts, give you clarity, guys. So, you can stay tuned for that. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So, let's start with these cards here. So we have completed world in reverse, Lady of Suns, and Seven of Stars, guys. So in your circumstances, Aries, maybe in your career or in your relationship, there is a woman, a friend maybe, or a sibling, or a relative, or your mentor, someone trustworthy, someone honest who has honest intentions towards you. So, this person is guiding you or helping you out, guys, today, and they are your greatest strength. They are wise, talented, skilled, and this person is inspiring you in a very positive way. And she is kind and compassionate person and a very good friend of yours. So the way they are inspiring you, it is helping you in your career, helping you face your situation with clarity and determination. So this person is instilling courage and strength in your heart, making you a stronger, wiser, and a good person today, guys, Aries. And in your circumstances today, guys, you have clarity because of this person, maybe in your relationship with this person you love, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may feel that they are not like you, they are not responsible, or they may not have that right attitude towards this love. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys. So you may have some lack of clarity in your circumstances, and that may be the reason you are taking suggestions from someone close to you. Some good friend of yours is suggesting certain things for you to make things right in your relationship, because in your connection, guys, in this relationship, whatever plans you make may get foiled, maybe because of uh, the way things are going, your circumstances maybe with this person. So they are not responsible and they do not have that perseverance. So having that attitude to see things through, to make things work, try hard. So that attitude is not there with this person, guys. That may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship. But I also see that with this help from someone close to you, you are able to handle your relationship in a much better way, the problems in this relationship. So you are having clarity today, guys. And even in your career situation, Aries, There may be some doubts you have, some confusion, something needs to be done to find that relief, and you can be happy, guys, because you are finding that relief today. So it may be this person helping you, or maybe your circumstances itself, or maybe with this clarity you have, so you know what will work and what will be the right thing today. So some kind of firm conviction and belief is happening within you, guys. So you know for sure what will work for you in your career situation, and you are finally relieved, Aries, of all the difficulties you have been seeing in your circumstances. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Aries, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aries, for your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life, and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. But you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand. And this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So That is what I see with this card, guys. So, your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So, that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So, for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So, with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So, forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So, this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So, closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So, whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So, ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest a thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.